Okay, so today we'll be looking at how to download road data from OpenStreetMap, OSM, and perform distance to road. So all we need to do is to go to our Chrome browser, then click on and impute OpenStreetMap. You see, and from there you click on this and make sure you are logged in. Then you click on this export button, and now you see it is loading. You can change the layers and all. So but for now, what we are going to download, you click on this GeoFabric downloads by the left hand side. You see GeoFabric downloads, click on it. Then you click on Africa. From Africa you click on Nigeria. Click on Nigeria. Now this is OpenStreetMap. Now you can see there are several ways you can download it. You can download it as a PBF file or a shape file. So you will download as a shape file. You click on this Nigeria latest free shape file zip.zip. So there, so you click on it. The file size is 1.8 gig. So you click on it, allow it to download. So I've downloaded it before, so there's no need. I have it on my system, so I'll cancel. So but you allow yours download. Yeah, so then after downloading, you go to your system to where it's been saved. Now when it's been saved, then you extract or you unzip. I've unzipped mine, so this is it. I've unzipped. Now for the sake of this analysis, we will make use of the roads. So as you can see, you look for the roads. Now this is one we want. OSM roads we want. So you just drag and drop. It contains your Nigeria, so it needs time to load. So allow it load. Now that it has loaded, all you need to do is to click to your study area so that you remove the parts that you do not want. So you go to data management tool, raster, not data management. Since we are making use of a vector, so you go to your analysis tools, click on the extract, then clip. Since we are making use of a vector data, so you clip. Now your input features will be the shapefile, the country OSM data, then your clip features will be your administrative boundary. Then you click on OK, allow it clip. This will take some time, but it will clip. It's still running. So as you can see, after some time that's clipped. Now we uncheck the layer. We don't need this. So as you can see, these are the roads. So now what we need to do, we are going to select the, let's open the attribute table to see the feature class. And this is a feature class. This is tertiary road, tertiary residential, classified tertiary primary, and all. So now what we'll do, we are selecting um our roads, the one we need for this analysis. So all we need to do, we're going to select by attribute, select by attribute, then you type in this SQL query, then impute your F class. Yeah, so then capital letter in, then open your bracket and get unique values. We need a primary, double click on it, if command, need a primary link, the command, we need a residential, we need a secondary road, we need our tertiary, we need our tertiary link, then we need a track. Now let's verify. Okay, he said it's an invalid. Let's check what the problem is. This is topic comma. To this is comma, not full stop. Now as you can see, the expression is verified, so you can run now. Apply. Now let's export. You can see, let's export. Okay, data, export data. Now already selected features, you can name it road transport. Make sure is in shapefile. I like export. If you want to add exported data, yes. Then you uncheck this, and this is one we need. So this is where the one will perform our spatial analysis, our distance to road.